Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the FENG 82 LMG in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into the video. So in order to unlock this weapon, all you have to do is make your way over to weapons, go over to loadout, go over to the loadout you want to change and make your way over to LMGs, and it will be right here, the FENG 82. Now it does say you have to unlock this weapon in the Black Ops 6 Battle Pass. So now you can make your way over to the Battle Pass, and then it will be actually quite early on. It's one of the earliest guns you can unlock in the Battle Pass. It's only page 3. And a quick tip is you can go ahead and hit well, for PC it's 3. Console it should be different, but you want to basically just pop one of these battle pass 2 XP battle pass tokens. You should have some if you've been playing for a while, and that will help increase the time, or it will make it faster basically to unlock that weapon. So that should basically be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.